Welcome to ScrapeHero Cloud, the powerful self-service SaaS platform that makes web scraping effortless. Let's walk through how to use our platform to gather the data you need in just a few simple steps. First, visit the website you want to scrape data from. Navigate to the specific page containing the information you're interested in. Once you're on the right page, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Now, head over to ScrapeHero Cloud and log into your account. Head over onto the App Store and choose the Scraper app that you need. Click on Create New Project and select the Scraper app that matches your needs. In the project settings, paste the URL you copied earlier into the input field. You're all set. Just click on Gather Data to start the scraping process. Your project will start gathering the data instantly, and you can view your collected data right from your project dashboard. It's that simple. Want to automate your data collection? ScrapeHero Cloud offers scheduling options. Set up recurring scrapes to keep your data fresh without lifting a finger. ScrapeHero Cloud, empowering your data-driven decisions.